Advantages of Iaas. 1. Reduces capital expenditures and optimizes costs. Iaas eliminates the cost of configuring and managing a physical data center, which makes it a cost-effective choice for migrating to the cloud. The pay-as-you-go subscription models used by Iaas providers help you reduce hardware costs and maintenance, and enable your IT team to focus on core business. 2. Increases scale and performance of IT workloads. Iaas lets you scale globally and accommodate spikes in resource demand. That way you can deliver IT resources to employees from anywhere in the world faster and enhance application performance. 3. Increases stability, reliability, and supportability. With Iaas, there's no need to maintain and upgrade software and hardware or troubleshoot equipment problems. With the appropriate agreement in place, the service provider assures that your infrastructure is reliable and meets service-level agreements, SLAs. 4. Improves business continuity and disaster recovery. Achieving high availability, business continuity, and disaster recovery is expensive because it requires a significant amount of technology and staff. But with the right SLA in place, Iaas helps to reduce this cost. It also helps you access applications and data as usual during a disaster or outage. 5. Enhances security. With the appropriate service agreement, a cloud service provider can offer better security for your applications and data than the security you would attain in-house. 6. Helps you innovate and get new apps to users faster. With Iaas, once you've decided to launch a new product or initiative, the necessary computing infrastructure can be ready in minutes or hours, rather than in days or weeks. And because you don't need to set up the underlying infrastructure, Iaas lets you deliver your apps to users faster. Thanks for watching our YouTube videos.